formation overfly the target area, the explosion was simulating a friendly forces armoured vehicle taking a direct hit from a rocket-propelled grenade, and the crew of the vehicle have immediately taken cover.
Straight over.
Fokker 2 then returns to the target area from the left to provide cover and to get the sensors looking into the threat area. See Fokker 1 manoeuvring towards the target area using the Lightning 3 laser targeting pod to mark the enemy's positions. A second vehicle has now been struck, and the ground commander requests that the exact enemy's positions are pinpointed. A show of force is performed to deter the enemy.
We've got areas, killing me.
Is a low-level, high-speed pass using both noise and aircraft presence as a deterrent. This often proves successful and also carries no risk of collateral damage. Once the show of force is complete, the ground commander asks the formation to re-establish the target area while he reassesses the situation. The lead aircraft today, call sign Fokker 1, is being flown by Flight Lieutenant David Simmons and his navigator, Flight Lieutenant Chris Stratton. The second aircraft, call sign Fokker 2, is being flown by Squadron Leader Bev Thorpe, and his weapon systems officer is Flight Lieutenant Rich Parsons. All are qualified tactics instructors from 15th Squadron at Royal Air Force Lossiemouth and have seen recent active service in both Iraq and Afghanistan. Forces are identified in and around a small compound. Based on this information, the ground commander then requests Fokker 1 to reposition for a strafe pass using the Tornado's highly effective 27mm Mauser cannon. The aircraft is armed with a mixture of both high explosive and armoured piercing rounds, and a rate of fire of nearly 2,000 rounds per minute. Whilst Fokker 1 resets to a higher altitude in order to prosecute the strafe attack, Fokker 2 will run in from the left at high speed in order to provide cover. Surface-to-air missile system. The crew have performed a high-G three-dimensional break in order to defeat the missile. To employ a number of brimstone missiles against mobile and static targets. On in from the right. Following the success of the brimstone attack, the hostile forces are now pinned down in a small building in the centre of the compound. Poker 1 is asked to target the building with a GPS-guided £500 Paveway 4 ball. Spots another small pocket of enemy forces and calls for Poker 2 to perform an immediate re-attack. After this final attack, the ground commander declares the target area clear, confirms there is no longer an imminent threat to life, and advises the crew that all attacks have been successful. The patrol can now move forward to the next objective, whilst Poker 1 and 2 rejoin and depart the area. You can check on the progress of the team throughout the summer at www.raf.med.uk/tornado display team. Or follow us on Facebook or Twitter by searching under Tornado Roll Demo. Today's performance is dedicated to all the UK Armed Forces personnel in celebration of UK Armed Forces Day. The team would also like to give a special mention to a young man called Mr. Tom Marsh, who's in the crowd today, who's 90 years young and is the granddad of Rich Parsons, who's in Poker 2. The aircraft will now run in at high speed from the right for a formation departure. Please show your appreciation as they pass crowd centre. Ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft now depart the area, that concludes our demonstration for you today. On behalf of myself, Flight Lieutenant Doug Smith, and all the members of the 2012 team, we sincerely hope you enjoyed the performance and the rest of your day here at Waddington. Thanks very much.